Mojito market, guys. This guy right here, like that drink, mojito, symbol mojo. This coin pump 1350%. Okay, I made $135,000 on the single trade, guys. Price was going flat, volume spike plus buyer power. This coin, it is on my watching list for over a month. Okay, let me go back here to you see something. See here, this was the volume spike right here on December 22. Okay, volume spike, so volume spike, volume spike, price go flat, volume spike. I need the confirmation of the buyer power. The buyer power happened right here. When I shared this trade, the private list was on 23/17 and pump at January 23. That means the coin was 7 days to pump. Sometimes the coin pump in 12 hours. Okay, most of the time, but some coins they take long to pump. I don't control this. Okay, so overall today, guys, we talk about 1850% profit, guys. I just made $185,000 trade crypto pumps, meu querido. Okay, Mojito Market, Conflux, Aptos Launch Token, High Bake, Proper, Threshold, Keep It Network, guys. Same thing, Keep It Network. We made 125%. I made $12,000, 500. The volume spike happened right here, my friend, right here. Boom. On January 23, January 21. So I shared this trade in the private list on 23, right here. We bought this coin for 11 cents and you put a sell order up here at 25 cents. I made 125% profit. Guys, if you like to get those trades in real time, feel free to reach me out. pumpdumpboy@gmail.com. I share all my trades in the private list, man. All you gotta do is to copy my trades, okay? So also I will let you when you should buy and sell the main cryptos. Like I put them in my watch list here, the main cryptos, guys. Okay, I want to say something about Bitcoins. First of all, I'd say welcome to our new members, Jessica, Charles, and Rust. Running. I'm sorry for the pronunciation, guys. Guys, this is the Bitcoin live. Okay, there is a big difference here. This is the Bitcoin you can find trade on Binance, and this is the Bitcoin you can find trade on CME futures on Nasdaq. I recommend you to check this Bitcoin. Never check this Bitcoin. I will show you the difference right now, okay? This Bitcoin, there's a lot of fake bots. They pump the volume in purpose to confuse you. This is the real Bitcoin. It doesn't collect trades on the weekends, okay? Because trade on the weekends, usually they are being made by bots, okay? If you see here, this line right here, it's called 200 exponential moving average. This line works as a magnetic. The price always is gonna be looking for this line. If you see right here, Bitcoin on Binance, the price already crossed the 200 EMA. You see the difference? CME futures, the price hits just hits 200 EMA, the price crossed EMA. You gotta take this Bitcoin here, guys. A lot of people commit this mistake because it's normal. They don't know what they are doing. So basically, here, the price went down here, boom, and the price just hit here. Doesn't mean it's gonna continue going up. I believe it's gonna get down. That's my words, okay? Feel free to reach me out, pumpdumpboy@gmail.com. Guys, ask for the free platform. You don't have to pay $600 to trade on trading view. It costs $600. Asking me for the free platform. I will share a secret link with you. Only old school traders know this platform. All got to say, thanks for your time. Have a blessed day. One more time, guys. 185% profit. Okay? Private list. One more time. Mojito Market, 135% dollars. Overall, 185% profit. Keep network. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.